let's go.
Hey guys, this is XthemastaX and here's my guest.
Hello, this is Andi Rain. We're gonna fight to the death in the name of justice
I fight in
and
the name
pizza.
of honor. And I reign supreme pizza. At this
Honor will always triumph.
town, I think it's French because the building says something in French. It's
Oh,
also
I only know
what?
I know only one phrase in French, and I'm not gonna say it in the recording.
Oh, and we are trying to look for each other. This game's also a game of hide and seek.
Yeah,
I'm near the Panzer.
and rocket jumping,
I'm near the Panzer right now.
like Soul Panzer from the Nero Wolf novels.
No, the Panzer tank.
The Panzer tank. Fancy tank, where are you, fancy tank? Go
This
fight like a man, you fancy little
There
tank.
you are.
Wait, take it, you fancy. Take it up your backside.
Hey,
Fucking
I'm right
tank.
behind. I'm right beside
Die,
you right now. Let's begin our duel.
Yeah!
Ha ha ha.
I'm gonna spear you. Oh, and I didn't.
This tank is mine. In the name of honor.
Love and friendship and stuff.
I'll wait at the Panzer. You always meet me, and I'm just on the tank and I'm screwing around. Hooray. Everybody's happy. I thought this was supposed to be a fair fight. You're shooting at me right now.
Ah.
That was weird.
I don't think this turns out okay.
You just blew me up, even though the game didn't show you throwing a grenade or like shooting me with a
I
rocket.
did. I did
It just
throw it.
No, it looks
Wait,
like
I killed ya.
on my end. It looked like you were just standing there holding your shovel, and then you suddenly like became a kamikaze and blew me up.
Well, I did throw a grenade.
Okay, wait, go to the Panzer spot.
You really think I remember where the pansy is?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got that. Okay, Shovel Knight. Yeah.
This is like a battle between Wei and Wu.
It's a battle between who and why.
Oh.
Who's Wei and who's Wu?
I don't know. You decide. Oh, there you are.
I'm Wu.
Ah.
Oh. Yeah, finally. Okay, I'm gonna capture the Pansy tank.
Broken knife mechanics. Why can't I knife this guy?
You already did like 5 times before.
More like broken shovel mechanics.
No, the shovel is always good.
Oh.
Okay. Hoo-yah! Yeah, I stabbed you.
I'm gonna bash you with my
on
rifle.
my lance.
I'm gonna bash you with my rifle now. Ah, you won.
Oh, I won. Sorry.
And
Oh,
now,
it's 3 on 3. We're equals.
now we will continue beating the crap out of each other while this Axis anthem plays.
Where are you? It's a fancy tank again. I can't find it. Oh, I think I remember that puddle. And I should go to the right. Avoid team stake and join the team with the fewest players. There's like 2 of us. Yeah.
Ah, critical hit. It was super effective. Andi Rain uses shovel. It was super effective. Takes away over 9,000 HP.
And it goes over 11. It goes up to 11. Ha!
I just stabbed your foot and you already
stabbed me
died.
in the foot.
I just stabbed you in
I
the
think the
foot.
character just can't live with his pretty foot being mangled and deformed. The girls won't like him anymore.
There you are.
Huh. Yeah. Your knife has a longer range than my fucking rifle.
Okay,
Really?
I'm gonna switch and bash you with my rifle now.
You can't use the pistol and melee. You could in Medal of Honor.
What just happened?
I blew us up. Oh, and I think I'm in a place with no exits.
The town of Suzay. Or it looks like an apartment of Suzay. I don't even know.
What? Oh, the icon. You seen that?
Yeah.
It was dumb. It seems that the rifle butt is the best melee weapon. Somehow. So the rifle without the bayonet is better than the rifle with a bayonet. Can I remove my bayonet?
No, you can't. What? I got
You-
killed.
you
I got
just
killed.
died.
I just got killed for being in your spawn point.
Then don't go to my spawn point. Oh, these duels are better on the smaller maps.
This map is small enough to where we can find each other anyways.
Well, the McDonald's one was better, even though it didn't look anything like McDonald's.
Yeah, because all you can see is the inside of the restaurant and not outside. Where are you? I'm near your spawn point. Ah, I was so close.
Where are you? Where are you? Okay.
Ah, you stabbed me in the foot. I used to be a soldier like you, but then I took a knife to the foot.
Yeah. Oh.
Bayonet to bayonet.
You're winning.
Fight. It's a
Oh, I can choose my class. I can pick a class with a different weapon. I forgot.
Where are you? I can't find you. Oh, there
I'm
you.
here.
There you are. What the? You aren't supposed to be using grenades. I thought this was a melee fight.
It is. You really don't notice them, don't you? It was so funny looking at you. Trying to find me with 2 grenades lying behind you.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. You tried to use your bazooka or Panzerschreck, but you failed.
The only thing I could kill with my bazooka was myself.
Dang it, it wasn't even loaded. I couldn't even hit you.
Oh, I hit you! Let's do the bazooka duel. Next stage, we play only with rocket launchers. You with your American rocket launcher and I'm with my European, okay?
German.
Germans are Europeans. Germany is like almost the center of the Europe.
Ah.
Cool. Pick a character with the rocket launcher. Do that.
Oh man.
Okay. Yes, fall back. Magic shovel makes your enemy disappear.
It also helps the carpet too.
Carpet?
Remember you were cleaning up your carpet in that one screenshot?
Oh, yeah. I'm cleaning another one. Okay. Aim. Take aim.
Ha 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 ha.
That was fun.
I now know how to use a
let's-
rocket launcher.
The next map, let's start with the rocket launcher, grenade, and melee weapons. Let's make a duel using only the explosive and melee weapons. Fight without guns. It's gonna be slow and epic. Okay, I have a bazooka now too. Why do they call the bazooka something weird like Panzer Jagger or Panzer Shrek? Or it's a bazooka, it's a fucking bazooka. Anything that launches rockets is a bazooka. Oh, you learned it. You learned your bazooka.
I'm gonna go capture your point to end the round.
Oh, that was a good one. You see, the rocket launcher duels are incredible.
It's like a freaking it's like a standoff, like a freaking Mexican standoff only with rocket launchers.
Oh, it reminds of that 007 game. There were different rocket launchers and everyone jumped around using them. Nightfire.
Oh no. I got you. Just one more point and it's all over for you. Oh,
Tis
tuna.
done.
I got you. The point is mine.
How?
Yeah,
No.
I won.
I want.
Good game. Now that's the end of the round.